Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, really excited because I got my FABFITFUN winter, and I feel I really got it early. I know some other girls have gotten it even earlier, but I did not add any extras or anything like that, so I don't know if that's why, but I'm always excited when this box arrives. There's something about FABFITFUN that with you guys makes it even more fun to be able to get this box. We share all the spoilers, we go through what all the customization picks are gonna be, and then we fill our boxes up, and then we wait for the box to arrive. There were so many great little options in this, but now that I live in Florida, my whole thing is when the winter box comes, because I like to purchase annually because I think that's the best deal, and I also feel that you get early customization, like just all the options that are available to you when you're annual, I think are the benefits of why I do it. With that said, some seasons for me are like really hard for me to choose what I want, simply because now I live full-time in Florida. If you're a four-season gal like I have been all my life, FABFITFUN would have been one of my favorite boxes, but the winter box for me is always hard, and I end up choosing more makeup and skincare, which then really isn't a FABFITFUN box because you can get that like I do, you know, from Ipsy and BoxyCharm and all the other boxes that I enjoy on my channel that I get for skincare and makeup. So I said to myself, this season I'm going to pick as if I was living still in Canada, where I would enjoy these type of products, and then worst case scenario is they end up as gifts. And that's how I went with my mindset in reference to what I chose for this month. So FABFITFUN is a seasonal box. It runs around, you know, between $45 and $50. There's always deals going on. There's always links that if you want to do seasonal, that you can get $10 off. But if you choose the annual, all those links don't work. So choose, you know, whatever, you know, works. But when I re-signed up for FABFITFUN, there was another amazing deal that was going on, and I got one season free. So like I said, always Google it, check what's the best deal that's out there when you decide which season you want to get into. Again, this time of year, they have phenomenal deals if you want to join FABFITFUN. But if you do join now, you do get the winter box and you do not get to customize, okay? All right, this is the magazine that comes with it. It used to give you all the information of what all the choices were, all the prices are. Now it's simply a magazine, which is good because FABFITFUN also has a whole community in itself where it has exercises and blogs and everything, where it is a true community. And it really is one of those boxes that is that true lifestyle box. It really encompasses everything. So there's always some advertisement that's inside on the top, and then some usually, you know, promotional items. This one is from Liquid IV. This is Meet Your Multipliers 360 Wellness Starter Pack. So all those type of things that are there. Then it gets down to the items that I chose. I also share with you on my channel a little bit more information based on what I was looking for when I was looking for people to watch on YouTube. It's always fun to see what everybody gets, but I also wanted to know what things cost, if there was a problem, how it was handled, things like that. So I would know if the companies are ones that I wanted to, you know, give my money to. So with that said, the first item that I opened up was the one that I really wanted in this box. And it was the cutest hat from Michael Kors. They're saying this is a $48 value. It has the cute little Michael Kors on the front here, the logo. When I took this out, the feel of this to me was a little bit itchier, scratchier. I don't know what the right term is for this, but I thought it was going to be softer. It is beyond cute. and having that MK is fantastic. But when I opened it up, there was a flaw in it. If you can see it, I'm hoping the camera can pick it up. So what I ended up doing was I took a picture and I sent it to FABFITFUN. FABFITFUN, when you have an issue, everything goes via chat. So it seems a lot more of these boxes are going that route. So I chatted for a while, I took a picture, I ended up sending the picture, I had to wait, there were like 20 people ahead of me, all that whole process. And then they asked me if I wanted a replacement or I wanted a credit. I chose a replacement because to me, these will be phenomenal, phenomenal gifts, or just to have, you know, an extra one. I'll see how I can try to fix this for myself, but when the other one comes in, hopefully it will be in better condition and I'll be able to have it as a gift. So that's what I chose. I chose a replacement. They said that I will get an email within a couple of weeks confirming that, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will work out. So that was how the problem was solved. But until I get the actual product here, that's when I will share, you know, with you guys, you know, that there were no issues. But it did take time. It took a good hour out of my day waiting online, waiting for the customer service, having to take a picture, having to send the picture, so on and so on and so forth. But with that said, I was grateful that they still had this product available, that they were able to even offer me the replacement. So I think this is really cute. If you ended up with it, I think you'll like it. It is not heavy at all. It is really lightweight. It feels more acrylic than it does, he has a logo in here as well, than it does wool. It's just very lightweight. Like if I was this wearing at home, it would be more a statement piece than one that I feel would keep me warm, if that makes any sense, but beyond cute. So that's the first item. The second item that I chose was simply because a few of you girls have mentioned when I was watching you guys previously get this item, and it was one of these scarves that had these gorgeous fringes on it, and it was a full cashmere scarf. The value on this was also like crazy, and I decided I would give it a shot because everyone was saying how soft and cuddly it was, and I figured worst case scenario here, it would either again be a gift or something I can put over, you know, a couch or a sofa or something like that. It is very soft and it feels very luxurious. Really happy to get this. The fringes are long and I think it's really quality product. So really happy about that as well. The next item was one that I was on the fence about, but like I said, there was really nothing within the sections that I was like, I should get this or not get that. The only one that I was second guessing myself about was the Sunday Riley, because it's one of my favorite products that she had, which was the A+. But I have it and I have backup of it. And even though it was such a great deal, I have so many products to try that if I start putting myself in with my old mindset where I was buying not, you know, simply for myself and I was sticking with a product line and I used that product line right to the end, then that would 100% been in my box. But being that I get so many products that I purchase as well as receive, I have a backlog of so many skincare and makeup products just to try that I said, no, I'm gonna stick to my guns and I'm gonna still try to choose products that I wouldn't get in another box. So that's how this ended up in. This also, this one is more like a poncho. It's not as soft as the other scarf, so if you want something soft and cuddly, I think the other one is there, but this is more of a poncho type. It also really well made. The fringes are a little bit more, it's completely different. They're two completely different. So to me, this is just more of something that you would put over your coat, you know, if you wanted to change the structure of your coat, where the other one is a true scarf. Then of course, this is the first time, believe it or not, that when I was getting the box, had the opportunity to choose for myself the UnHide. I always ended up choosing something else, but you guys, this UnHide, every time it's in the comments, you guys are raving about this. So when this UnHide material was available in a robe, I grabbed it and it is scrumptious. So when I saw one like this, and I was going to choose the lighter colors because those are, you know, my bedroom, which you've all seen, is more the browns and the caramels and all that. I was going to choose one of those beige ones, but I figured I would get it in a different color so that it would be something we'd be able to put on the couch and cuddle up and things like that. So that's what this one is here. So I ended up choosing the newest color, which is the one that's out right now, which is the charcoal. And I just wanted to give you guys an up close look at it. It is beautiful and it is scrumptious. And like I said, once I tried the robe, I said I definitely, if I ever see this again as an option, I will definitely pick it. Then we ended up where there was another option of an item that I've never tried before, and it was from this brand called Briogeo. This is their charcoal and tea treatment, scalp treatment. It simply is a scalp treatment, which I'm starting to see more and more scalp scrubs in a lot of the boxes. And Briogeo is a brand that I have been enjoying. So this is what this looks like here. When I opened it up, it is a dropper. It does smell exactly like tea tree. So this is good to have like in the arsenal if you're having, you know, your scalp gets drier in the winter or things like that. Then this is something that I felt was something that I've never tried before and I would like to have it in my arsenal. So that's how this ended up in my box. And then the final item, like I said, was there wasn't much for me to choose from for myself simply because of items that I've already had the opportunity to try. This is something that I've already used and enjoyed, and this is probably going to go into another area. This one is from Grown Alchemist. This is a body cream. It is really beautiful. You need very little. It spreads nicely. It is a thicker cream. It's really, this Grown Alchemist is a brand that I have enjoyed and it is one that I'm impressed with. So when that was another option, I decided, you know what, out of all the options that are there, I'm gonna go with something that I've already used because the other items that were there were definitely not ones that for me were ones that I felt I would use or enjoy or feel comfortable giving as gifts. So that's everything that I chose from my FABFITFUN. Please share with me in the comments down below. A lot of these items I'm sure you guys have seen in previous, like the UnHide. This poncho I think is also one that is from a previous box. The scarf I know is from a previous box. And then again, this cute hat from Michael Kors, which was what for me made the whole box. I was really looking forward to getting this. So I'm happy they're able to replace it. Like I said on my channel, I try to do a little bit more informative so that I can share with you guys. So if you're on the fence about a box or if you don't know how things work, that's what I try to share with you on the channel because before I got here a couple of years ago having a channel, I didn't know how anything worked. I didn't know being a subscriber on YouTube was free. So everything that I share with you is based on stuff that I learned and was looking for. So hopefully you will join me on this journey and you will subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we will grow this channel together. All right, take care everybody, stay well. Don't forget to share in the comments if you've received any of these products and what your thoughts are on them or what you received in your box you are loving so much that I should keep my eyes open for it in a future box. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.